short, kayo ho yung nagde-decide ngayon kung ano ho yung confidential na information at hindi. Kasi sinabi niyo ho sa tingin niyo, hindi naman siya confidential.
Misleading, Your Honor.
Hindi ho.
Witness may answer.
Yes. Part 2 ba ng ICFA audit yun? With regard to their confidential operations.
Your Honor, again, this is ask and answer.
No, Your Honor.
By
I
rephrasing
object,
the
Your Honor.
question, Your Honor, by rephrasing
This is
the
a
question.
different
Kindly
question.
Counsel, can I-
wait for counsel for the prosecutors. Yes, Attorney Kapunin.
Your Honor, these are the same questions rephrased differently, Your Honor. Ask and answer.
It is not, Your Honor. Kasi nga kanina,
What is
The
your-
presiding
who
officer,
determines whether...
the court will allow it. Attorney Celine, please answer.
Pwede pong pakiulitin.
Okay, ulitin ko po
Sabi ko na.
Who determines? Sino ba yung nag...
Submitted
So in
to us.
short, just answer the question. Kasali ho ba kayo sa confidential operations
answered,
ng
Your
OVP?
Honor? They based it
Wala
on
hong
the-
answer ho, Your
She
Honor.
did not answer, counsel.
She did not answer.
Um,
Yes or
Celine-
no?
On the documents.
Celine, just answer it. Hindi kayo kasama, di ba?
Hindi po. Based lang
Okay.
po kami sa documents.
So,
Okay.
just say that hindi kayo kasama.
Salamat po, Your Honor. It's 12:16, Your Honor. Do you want... Okay lang po ako. I can
Thank you for
continue.
pointing that out, counsel.
Okay,
Because
kasi po, ang next
my
point na
colleagues
po
have
ito,
been
no? No, next point.
Your Honor,
asking-
may we know if the cross-examination will take another 2 hours, 3 hours? Your
More
Honor?
likely, Your Honor, this is...
Let's see. But we cannot compel, neither can we force or pressure counsel to limit the cross-examination. She has enough leeway to test the credibility of the witness. We shall take a lunch break and shall resume at 1 p.m.